You gonna put the ball on top?
Yes.
That might break the cylinder of water, though. No, I was gonna say it's gonna be just the water's gonna start coming out. Unless you can put the bottom.
We didn't put all the water. I didn't put it all the way out.
Oh.
Alright. This way it is. Tell me when. Oh, do you want to do this? Or just do to me?
You're gonna go over the house?
Yeah.
All right.
This is how we clean the house, okay?
Yeah.
Go. Still broke.
Did he get the plug out?